Welcome back to another Airsoft video. This is from the 4th of July this year. It was very hot at the field. I think it was about 100 degrees. We had pretty small turnout, but it was a lot of fun. Here we have an assimilation where squads try to absorb all other players onto their team.
I'm watching our six in case Shadow won't come this way.
Copy.
I'm hearing movement, shots fired back that way.
Okay. Do you want to set up that way? Oh, yeah. We can try ambush them if they come through that trail.
It's cramped in here though.
It sure is.
We're a two-man team against a bunch of three-man teams, so we try to make the best move we can.
Oh, hit!
And I get shot right away. Michael drags me to safety. And a grenade comes in.
I'm up. Team on out!
Luckily, it was a dud.
Oh, they're there, right there. 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Got one. It's two? Two down. Corey's down and Jacob's down. Yeah, let's just guard Michael, let Corey get up. Alright, let's follow Michael on the corner then.
The house is clear.
Frag out. Yeah, you smoked me though.
That's Corey.
You want to cover me? I'm going to go in.
Here I see the enemy, but they disappear into the brush. As soon as they pop out, they're gone again.
There you go. I'm gonna do a flank. You guys hold down here. You wanna cross water? Let's do it.
We know there's a team on the back bay, so we try to get above them so we can help distract them as Michael and Corey push from the front.
Right here, they're down in here. Yeah, totally. I want to move 10 feet right.
Pressure.
Yeah, drop in right there.
got 2 or 3 down. We don't know where Michael and Corey are, so Jacob drops in to try to res up some of the players.
What team? What team? We're at hotel. Jacob, hotel. Everyone hotel?
Well, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the gameplay. Until next time, peace.
I thought I ate you.